In this Videly review, I'm going to go through everything you need to know about this SEO super weapon. 3 clicks are all you need to rank on Google and YouTube, without knowing SEO, without building backlinks, or writing any content. People think I'm some kind of ranking Jedi. I just use Videly. Step 1. Find highly profitable keywords. Step 2. Generate title, description, and tags. Step 3. Upload a video and paste the titles, description, and tags. Offer ends in 19 hours, 44 minutes, and 10 seconds. Normal price $97. Today with 73% discount, only $27. The top video marketers are calling this the ultimate SEO super weapon. Blastr has gotten me traffic already. I expect the traffic and rankings to improve. I have a number 1 ranking on YouTube with several of the videos I already uploaded, thanks to Blastr. This is not fake. I started using this software only 1 week ago, and I'm on Google page 1 for several niche long-tail keywords. Awesome jobs to the guys at Blastr Software. Easy to use and clever interface. I've been using similar software to rank my YouTube videos, but Blastr Software is something good. I ranked one of my medium competition keywords overnight beating high websites. That's something I couldn't believe with my own eyes. Honestly, when purchasing, my mind was like half okay and half not. But after getting used to it, I learned many things, and now I'm ranking a lot of keywords on YouTube. Don't think twice, go ahead and buy. Stoica and Vlad are the best. Own most of their products, and the Blastr suite is a valuable part of my online strategy. Thanks guys. This product works. Impressive. You'd have to try it out for yourself to believe me. I wouldn't mind being an affiliate for this software. These guys are legit. And also they don't charge what the known gurus do. Normal to differ. But my experience has been very positive. Rock on Vlad and Stoica. I've been using Live Event Blastr 2 for about a month now. I have over 60 videos ranking on page 1 for long tail keywords, and at least 20 videos ranking on page 1 of Google for competitive keywords. This works. The more I learn, the better my results. Great product, guys. Are you ready to find out how you can rank the first page of Google and get a ton of targeted visitors and this kind of results, without knowing any SEO, without building backlinks, without spending any money? The traffic potential in SEO is absolutely insane. No matter if you want more views for your offers, local businesses, or blog. Just imagine millions of people going to Google and YouTube every day searching for your solution. From doctors to lawyers, from marketers to consumers. Everyone is searching for information and stuff to buy on Google and YouTube. Your solution video can be on page 1, right in front of their eyes. The potential is absolutely insane. But how can you rank on the first page? The old school way is to start building hundreds and thousands of high quality backlinks and you monitoring them on a daily basis. Sounds complicated, time consuming and tedious, and it really is. Please check all the questions where your answer is yes. Have you ever tried to rank your website or video on Google and ended up ranking on the 4th page and didn't get any views? Did you ever try to write boring content and still your website didn't get any views? Have you ever tried to build backlinks and still didn't get on page 1? If you checked any of these boxes above, let's get things straight. You only have 3 options. Option 1, paid traffic. You can start learning how to create ADS and start driving visitors this way to your website. But nowadays, ads are very expensive. You'll end up paying over $2 per visitor. Scalable results, but very expensive. Option 2, learn SEO. Wasted hours over hours. Learning SEO and start writing hundreds of articles and building hundreds of backlinks. Then wait 1 month and hope you get ranked. Very complicated, time consuming. Option 3, Videly. 3 clicks and you'll get top rankings and a constant stream of targeted visitors to your websites and videos. No need to learn anything, cost effective. We reverse engineered YouTube and Google's ranking system. We were determined to figure out exactly what the Google algorithm likes and doesn't like when it comes to ranking videos. Exactly how many times you should repeat the main keyword in the title. How many related keywords should you use in your description? How many views, social signals, subscribers, and 50 other factors. And after years of hard work, big data analysis, blood, sweat, and tears, we made it. We reverse engineered the ranking system. The schema from the right shows you the most important ranking factor that YouTube is taking in calculation for ranking videos. You can exploit the schema manually, but it will take hours to optimize one single video. Or you can use our shortcut. Introducing Videly, the only software that is able to find untapped buyer keywords and get you top rankings with the click of 3 buttons. Videly finds untapped buyer keywords that can be easily exploited, generates perfectly SEO optimized titles, descriptions, and tags, drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. 100% Google and YouTube friendly. Only $27. Follow these 3 steps. By this time next week, you'll have your videos getting top rankings and sending highly targeted viewers to your websites and offers. Find untapped keywords. Videly will analyze all the keywords targeted by your competitors and show you the keywords that they are using to get the most visitors. And it will tell you how many competitors and how many monthly searches there are for each and every keyword, and how hard or easily it will be to rank for those keywords. Step 2. Autopilot SEO optimization. With one click, Videly will analyze your competitors, identify all the weak points in their videos, and will automatically exploit them. After a few seconds, Videly will give you a completely balanced combination of titles, descriptions, and tags that will get you top rankings. Step 3. Copy, paste, and profit. Upload your new video and update your existing videos, title, description, tags on YouTube and watch the views flood in your offers. Anyone, regardless of experience and technical know-how, can Videly rank on the first page in any niche. E-com, local businesses, weight loss, affiliate offers, you name it. Videly will get you ranked. Imagine the possibilities with this kind of views. Uploaded regular standard video, not live event on YouTube, and already ranking number 3 on both Firefox, 3 on Google Chrome Magneto, and 4 on Microsoft Edge browser. Hi everyone, I'm new here. Joined yesterday, I tried rating on Google search videos, and I got on first page 20 minutes later. I am so excited and happy to join this group. I also got some more Blaster products and love them all. Looking forward to making other videos rank. Thanks, love and best wishes for everyone here in TGE Group success. Really exciting stuff. I did a test for local chiropractor live event, and literally within the first hour, my live event ranked number 1 for chiropractor in Wind Gap, PA on YouTube, and on page 2 of Google results. Most of page 1 are directory listings and paid ads law, most of which I typically scroll past anyway. Just awesome. Hello people, I started to use VMB the 22nd of July. Look at the increase of views and subscribers. I got my 2 YouTube links on first page as of today. Get additional clicks to my affiliate website. Just keep going until we finally did it. Yeah! Here's what Videly will do for you. You will get more views. Videly will get your videos ranked on the first page of YouTube and will get you a ton of video views. You will get more viewers. Your videos will start getting more views. More people will click the links in your video description and automatically you will get more website visitors. It's as simple as that. You will get more subscribers. And the best part about having more subscribers is that they will get notified each time you upload a new video. And all your future uploads will get even more views. And more views mean higher rankings. You will get more leads and sales. No other tools are required. No waiting, no monthly fees, no hidden costs. We're completely confident that Videly is exactly what you need in order to find untapped keywords and get top rankings for your business. So we're ready to remove any risk from your side. 100% unconditional money back guarantee. We're completely confident that Videly is exactly what you need to finally get your videos ranked and get more viewers. In fact, I'm so confident that I'm going to make this a complete risk-free decision for you. I will offer you my "this will work for you too, no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee." In other words, you are taking no risk when you invest in Videly. This is our promise. If you don't like the software, just send us an email or open a support ticket, and in less than 24 hours, we will give you back all your money. We'll take all the risk because we are 100% confident this will work for you. Frequently asked questions. Does it work in foreign languages? Videly works in English or any other language, and in any niche. You can do keyword research and rank for any foreign language. Actually, ranking in foreign languages is even easier. What is the link to your support desk? If you have any questions or problems, you can open a ticket in our support desk. The link is there. We usually reply in under 2 hours. Are there any upscales? You can use Videly as it is. You don't need to purchase anything else. However, after you purchase our Videly standard version, we will give you an opportunity to upgrade your license to Pro version. Please note, you need the standard version in order to upgrade to Pro. The Pro version can't be bought standalone. Is this a monthly fee app? Videly is currently being offered for no monthly fees, only through this deal. You'll get full access to everything you see here today for the price listed above. Do I get free updates? Yes. You will receive over-the-air updates. Whenever we will release a new update, the software will automatically update to the latest version. In this way, you are always sure you are running the latest version of Videly. Does this work for your Mac and PC? Videly is 100% cloud-based, so it works with an internet connection on any browser, although we recommend using Google Chrome. Videly, only $27. Thank you for watching this Videly review.